We're here, guys. Hidden Valley Wildlife Management Area. This is a place in Virginia. Hidden Valley. Yep, let's fish. Yo, what is up, guys? We're finally here at Hidden Valley Lake. We got, oh dude, there's a bunch of minnows right there or something. Whatever that is. Check this place out. Pretty dope, son. Place you never been here in Virginia. Yep, it was a fish, bro. Hey, B and C.
What's up, guys?
What do you think about this place?
Looks promising. Hopefully we'll catch a big toad.
Toads?
Catch some toads.
Alright, guys. You guys heard that? We're at Hidden Valley Lake in Virginia. Gonna catch us a toad. Let's do some fishing. Man, this stuff is thick. I'll get right in there. Oh gosh, this is crazy. Man, this is some thick stuff. Yeah, made it. It goes down deep. I see some live fish here. Dude, I see fish going in and out of these things. Guess they're chasing bait right now. So I got a bait imitation, a little swim bait, kayak swim bait. Dude, I got him. Dude, I got something. Dude, I got him. Oh yeah, I got him. Yes. Pretty good fish. Didn't know he hit it. It was in this little weird grass thing. Black bass on a little swim bait. First fish of the day here at this new lake, Hidden Valley Lake in Virginia. Pretty dark bass here. Let's get the release on him. A little lethargic. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Water's freezing. Look at him. There he goes. Great place. Let me show you guys what I rigged up there to catch that one bass. It was a 360 GT heads. I think it was in the 1/8 ounce. And half of a 5-inch kayak. That's pretty much it. Made it into like a swim bait. And this area was just thick grass. Threw it in there. Bass came out of it. Took it. Didn't even know it. But that's what I used. That was my setup. Hope you guys can enjoy this tip. Let's keep fishing. Is this supposed to be a fish right here? Look at that tree stump. Lonely tree stump. Right there in the water. Got him. Got him. Yes, on the drop shot. On the drop shot, dude. On the drop shot. Finally. Second fish of the day. They're acting a little finicky, so I put on the drop shot right here. There we go. Second fish of the day. Let's put him back. Get him out of here. Still full day ahead of us, guys. Got B and C trying to get on his first fish. We ain't leaving until he gets one. Got another one on a swim bait. What, another one on a swim bait. Look at that. That's another little good chunk here at this new lake we've never been to. Third fish of the day in this new lake. Your next BNC. What is that? Pretty cool. I'll take it. Yes. Don't know what you'll catch that on, but I found it. Shoot. There goes a big bird nest. Damn, son. What a bird nest, dude. This might be the end of it. I have a feeling this is the end of this reel. Well, look at that. Got it out. Midday update, guys. Washing my feet off because I tried to get off over there on the bank and I sunk down all the way to my knees. But yep, I was knee high in mud, so I'm washing it off, sitting on the side of my kayak right here. As you can tell how stable it is. Love it, man. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Making my way back to the boat dock. Caught about 3 fish and that was it. The biggest was probably about 13 or 14 inches. Not very good for BNC. He didn't catch anything. Just saw a bunch of big fish, but we couldn't hook up on them. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash the like button if you did. Be sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Be sure to check out my buddy BNC over there, BassandCoffee. Check out his channel. And keep fishing. Oh, one more thing. If you want to check out this dope hat I got, link will be in the description below. Keep fishing. Boom.